Thank you.
Trade show. We're very glad to have you here in Plastimagen in Mexico once again.
We're very excited to be here.
Welcome. I would like to, if you can please tell us more about the new equipment that you are presenting here at Plastimagen, the nitro dryer, and how do you think it will be best oriented into the Mexican market for what application?
So the nitro dryer is a dryer that we introduced at NPE last year. It's been a very good rollout for us, a lot of interest, but we've been very methodical about the way we've introduced it to the market. And it's based on a technology we've used for many years, Nova dryer, which has been one of the best-selling small dryers in North America. It's driven by compressed air through a membrane, and the membrane that we use in this dryer is a little bit different than the traditional one. And instead of creating just dry air to dry resin, this creates its own nitrogen out of standard compressed air from a plant system that's running in any manufacturing plant. The application for this is really for any kind of resin, nylons, PBTs, any type of resin that is susceptible to breaking down or discoloring because of oxygen. This will allow us to dry without any oxygen in the air, so it'll keep those harmful things from happening to the resin and give the customer a better, more consistent product. A lot of application for this in the medical market, but we also have found a lot of application for it in both general drying and molding, and in the automotive market as well for connectors and a lot of nylon parts that are very susceptible to breakdown.
Well, now if you can tell us in the overall strategy of the company, how is Mexican and Latin American market located in importance for the company?
Absolutely. So we've been doing business in Latin America for 25 or 30 years, and it's been a very, very important market for us. Obviously, automotive has been a growing market in Latin America. It's starting to slow a little bit in its growth, but it's still a very strong, booming market. So that's been a very big focus for us, and it's been responsible for up to 20% of our sales a year. So it's been an extremely focused part of our business strategy. Some of that is changing now, but that's for the better. I think the Mexican market and the Latin American market are seeing growth in some areas that have not maybe been traditional for here. Packaging, a lot of growth in the medical market. So areas that I think are going to be very good for the Mexican and Latin American markets and the manufacturers here, but also a lot of opportunity for manufacturers in the United States, in Canada, and other countries to locate some additional manufacturing here in Mexico that maybe hasn't been done in the past.